progress on a 67 Mustang convertible. The rocker panel, the door box is all installed. I put the door in it. Looks good. The window here is really good. Here is all welded. I have to do some repairs here because this was heating here, so I finished that. It's all good now. Here it's all welded here, and I grind the welds. Here I didn't weld it yet. I'm gonna wait. I just tack it, and I'm gonna wait for the firewall to be installed, so that maybe need to go a little bit this way or a little bit this way. We're gonna see. The door, I mean, it's pretty good, you know. I mean, I still need to do fine adjustment. Most of them is gonna be here on the quarter panel. This quarter panel need to go down. I need to cut this area here because it's heating. Of course, this needs to be cut for the window, and probably I need to tweak some stuff on the bottom, but it's gonna be good. You know, like I said, this is all welded and ready to go. This area here, I just welded it here, and I welded it on the top. Here I installed this piece here because that was all rusted out, and this support, I mean the back rear support, is all welded in. Now I'm ready to go for another side. On this side I'm gonna do a little bit different. What I did, basically, I made these pieces. It's just a tubing with a nut, double nut basically, and thread wrap. And I went to Lowe's and I bought concrete anchors, 3/8 concrete anchors, and I bolted it. This basically going to the rocker, so I don't have to measure all the time, going back and forth. You know, this, when I cut this up and when I clean all the area, I'm gonna just go ahead and sit the rocker on this, and I'm done. Same thing I did on this side. So basically I have two. So I did that this morning, and now I'm gonna have to. What I'm gonna do, I have this here that connects the engine bay, and I made it a little bit longer. I'm gonna weld a couple of rods from here to here, 2 rods from here to here, and I'm gonna start cutting everything back, and hopefully I'm not gonna have a lot of problems with this side than that side. That side was really bad, but like I said, looking good now. You know, but I don't want to spend that much time now on this side. You know, I have to fix this thing because I already have probably 400 hours on this thing. Till I finish up with probably 800. So I have to do something, so it's gonna help me save time, you know. But so far it looks good. As soon as I put this other rocker, and I'm gonna put the side panel. Then I'm gonna put the firewall, the floor. Then I'm gonna go ahead and permanently weld the back of the car, the quarter panel, the wheel wells, the tail light, the inside piece. This is the floor inside. All that stuff is gonna go later. But I just want to show you how far I am with this. See you in the next one.